let's shoot. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm shooting about all the moisturizer collections I have. I don't have expensive ones, but though I have a lot of moisturizer because मेरा एक habit है, मैं पूरे घर में मॉइस्चराइज़र रखती रहती हूँ, and then I keep moisturizing my hand every single time. I'm pretty much obsessed with moisturizers. Like previously I was obsessed with body mist, but now I keep only one body mist and use it for like 5-6 months. But now I'm obsessed with moisturizer and I have a lot. They're not very expensive, but yes, the one I use them. It's not like I just keep it and don't use them. I use them. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the moisturizers I have, and I'll tell you where do I keep them. So basically all over my house, right beside the basin area, the hand wash area, in my dressing, in my bedroom drawers, everywhere. In kitchen also you'll find moisturizer because I am that one person who hate dry skin. So whenever I like wash my hand anywhere, I make sure I have a moisturizer just wherever I'm washing my hand. The Fuji green tea moisturizer from the Body Shop. Price I will mention somewhere. Okay, the price is $5.45 for 250 ml, and this has some little mint kind of a smell, and it smells amazing for sure. It smells amazing. It's good in moisturizing, but as usual, after some time, after just like a month or so, I stopped using it. But yes, right now I again started using this, and I'm liking the product. So I'll show you. It is like little, ये थोड़ा सा आई डोंट नो, इट इज़ जेल कंसिस्टेंसी. मुझे ये ऐसे हैवी मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं है, बट इट इज़ वेरी गुड. लाइक जब भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई नीड सम लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र, सो आई कैलकुलेट दिस इन लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र. इट्स वेरी लाइट, इट्स नॉन स्टिकी, एंड it is Body Shop, so obviously the fragrance is gonna be so awesome. The next one is Nykaa Wanderlust body butter. So I remember last year there on winters a lot of people were talking about body butters. I did not had one, so I wanted to have one, but then I don't know what happened exactly. I ordered one from Body Shop, or I don't remember the brand exactly, but I ordered one from the other brand, but that came very very thick. I did not use it. I gifted it to someone. The other one which I ordered was Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom on winters. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Let me show you. This much is how much I've used, and this is like thick moisturizer. See, so when you rub this is like thick moisturizer. So on winters when you have a dry skin and you really want a thick moisturizer to keep you hydrated for a really long time, this is that one moisturizer. You guys really want that. Need this. This is a Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom body butter, and this retails for rupees 550, and this is for 200 ml. Okay, so this is Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom. The next one is the Bath Store Aloe and Coconut Butter Body Yogurt 200 grams. So basically I'll clear you one difference. Body butter is thick and can be used in winters. Body yogurt can be used all 12 months if you want to use, and I am generally a body yogurt person because it is lightweight, and I'm a person who doesn't like a lot of thick moisturizers, but ठंड में लगाना पड़ता है because again आपको because ठंड में आप बहुत जल्दी आपका skin dry हो जाता है. तो this is the quantity they give. It smells like, it doesn't smell like coconut, but yeah, aloe vera it does smell like. It has a very good quantity, and let me show you the texture. It is again, it is just very lightweight. See, not feeling chip in body butter. You do feel chip because body butter has that one thing कि आपको थोड़ा सा वो heavy side में होता है. It is used in winters generally, so body butter थोड़ा सा heavy होता ही है. And the next one is L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Glowing Creamy Day. I've ordered this छोटू वाला because I generally don't use this. इसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें थोड़ा bleaching agent होता है. So whenever I use this, I feel like कि ये थोड़ा सा आपके skin को bright कर देता है. So I use this before my makeup, and yes, even today I'm using this as a primer. I use this. The reason being, primer मेरे को थोड़ा सा चिप लगता है. I feel very sticky when I use primer, so I generally use this as a primer. and this is glycolic bright glowing cream. This retails for price 550. This is the small one. Okay, ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair plus face cream. So this is the Dot and Key face moisturizer. I've actually ordered this moisturizer for myself. I've used this on my face as well. I don't know, it doesn't suit me or whatever it is. Let me show you. This texture is very nice. See, it's lightweight, it is not thick. This is a face moisturizer. It is not thick, but right now I'm using it as a hand moisturizer because I did not felt like using it on my face moisturizer. I'm using it as a hand moisturizer. Whenever I wash my hand, I use this. And the next one, you guys, which I am pretty much obsessed right now, is Nykaa Love Struck. I've got this in gift from Nykaa. So I've ordered, I was in the mall and I got a lot of Nykaa products. So they offered me this body moisturizer as a gift, which retails for rupees 499, and it is 200 ml and it smells amazing. Fragrance is that one thing which I can stick to. Like, I really like fragrances, but see, this is a very light moisturizer. It doesn't do chip, no stickiness, nothing, and it smells very much like lavender. It's like lilac in shade and it smells very much like lavender. It's very, very nice. I would recommend, if right now you want any fragrant moisturizer, light in weight and little less chemical, it should be Nykaa Love Struck First Date. I really like it, and obviously the packaging from Nykaa is very, very classy, so I kind of liked it. The other one is my face cream. Right now I'm using this. Is a Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It has no fragrance, but for sensitive people, people who are sensitive and who are using this, who wants to use this, Cetaphil is very safe option. It is non-fragrant and it has a lot of it is non-fragrant, and then it is, again, you can use them. It is in fact, I feel using this, very light in weight and it's very less in chemical. It is 80 gram and it retails for rupees 599. Cetaphil goes little expensive when you're into moisturizers, the body moisturizers. Cetaphil is an expensive. Try to normal skin. Cetaphil is generally into expensive side. Any product you use from Cetaphil is little expensive, undoubtedly, but yeah, I like this because it till the end of the day. I think it works for 24 hours if I'm not mistaken. ये पूरी रात तक मेरी स्किन को हाइड्रेटेड रखता है. I don't feel like putting anything else when I'm putting Cetaphil in my face. So yeah, this retails for rupees 599 and the quantity is 80 grams. The next one is Milk and Honey Oriflame Body Cream, and this retails for rupees 729. I think we get this in offer, I guess, and it smells amazing. My whole family is obsessed with this cream. This is basically not my box, this is my mama's dabba, and I think in my family, me, my sister, my mom, everyone has this cream. We are pretty much obsessed with this cream for sure, because I'll show you the consistency, which is, you're gonna like it. Wait, so this is Milk and Honey. Let me show you. See, it dissolves like. The next moisturizer I use is Vitamin E and Ginseng moisturizing cream. आप देख सकते हो कितना खाली हो चुका है. I don't use it as a normal moisturizer on my face, or generally I use this. I don't use this generally because जब मुझे बहुत rashes हो जाते हैं स्किन में, and I feel like कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रैश हो गया और स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो गया. सो दिस ट्राई हील्स मी अप प्रॉपरली. ये एक बहुत अच्छा मॉइस्चराइजर है इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़, बट फॉर सम रीज़न आई डोंट नो आई स्विच्ड इनटू सेटाफिल अगेन, बिकॉज सेटाफिल में जो यूज़ करते ऑलमोस्ट 7 years हो गया है एंड आई हैवंट स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग इट ऑन माई फेस. मैं फॉर अ चेंज आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस वन एंड ये बहुत, इट वॉज वर्किंग वेरी नाइस ऑन माई स्किन, बट फॉर सम रीज़न आई हैव स्वॉप्ड अगेन इनटू सेटाफिल बिकॉज इट द सर्टन थिंग्स, इट बिकम्स comfort into your life, and that is the Cetaphil has done to me. And the next one is Gingham Bath and Body Works. This moisturizer I keep it in my bag and I keep moisturizing my hand every single time, mainly if I'm traveling or I'm going anywhere out. This is in my handbag and this costs $7.99 or something for like it's, I don't know, the quantity is not mentioned, so yeah, I'll mention somewhere in the. So yeah, this is the Bath and Body Works Gingham. It smells amazing. It smells like heaven. So you, yeah, I Bath and Body products generally have a very good fragrance for sure, but I don't like too much of fragrance on my moisturizer. Sometimes I do like, so I had used Bath and Body products before. I've stopped using Bath and Body. The reason was only that the moisturizers or the body mist I still do use, but moisturizer I don't use because moisturizer has a lot of fragrance in Bath and Body work, and you keep the tendency of the fragrance stays for like 7 to 8 hours, and I get irritated because it has a very distinct smell. And I don't know, for some reason I stopped using Bath and Body Work moisturizer, but body mist I still use, and for fragrances Bath and Body Works is the best. I mean the best. The next moisturizer, it is actually a sunscreen. It is from Aqualogica Radiance Dewy Sunscreen. I swear by this product. If you guys are using this or not using this, please buy this because it does not give you a white cast on your sunscreen. Previous sunscreen which I was using that gives a lot of white cast. Just because the sunscreen gives the white cast, I have changed a lot of sunscreen, and finally I stopped using that, and then I got introduced to Aqualogica Radiance Dewy Sunscreen, and it has helped me with the sunstroke because the profession I am into, I have to go around the field a lot, so I make sure to apply a good sunscreen, and this is that one sunscreen I swear by, it doesn't leave the white cast, and it is the best. I mean the best. The next one I use is, I don't use this basically, so this is the next one. I don't use this. It is Vaseline Rose Water Gel. This product got hyped a lot on social media, and it has two flavors, that is rose water gel and lavender gel. Vaseline got us introduced to this gel. Let me just show you how does it look. It is like a gel only, and it is, yes, it is non-sticky. But the smell is very chemical. Like I didn't like the smell. The smell is very much chemical. I did not like the smell at all, and I mean, for some reason I did not use it. If you can see the whole pack, there is just, I roughly have used like a little bit of them. I have used it, and this retails for 250 for 200 gram. So yes, I would not recommend. Yes, for a moisturizers, body moisturizer, 200 gram is for 250 rupees. Yes, it is expensive. We're getting a lot of good products in 250 rupees, but this moisturizer I'm not sure because I didn't use it because the consistency of the moisturizer was very smelly, very fragrant actually, not smelly, and it was very much gel texture, and it gets absorbed in your skin very quickly, but it feels like very sticky every time. So I did not use it. The whole pack, only once or twice I've used it, and the whole pack is staying as it is. So no more a Vaseline fan anymore. But yeah, this is all about the moisturizers I have used and still using. This is all about the collections of my moisturizers I have. I know this was not a lot of moisturizer, or maybe it was a lot of moisturizer, but yes, I am obsessed with moisturizers, and I keep the obsession is not because that it has a frequent fragrance or something, but I don't like keeping my hands dry. I really want my hands to be properly moisturized, so I just keep doing every time you see me in the house, I wash my hand, I do moisturizer. I go anywhere, I do moisturize. I'm coming back to home, wash my hands, do moisturize. I'm pretty much like obsessed, or you say it OCD person for the moisturizer. Yes, I am. And previously I had a lot of collection because I always take a lot of break from YouTube, and I don't post, but I had more collection than this, but almost I've used all. So I usually like spending on moisturizer because I use them. It is not that I don't use them. So I have a tendency of using the moisturizers a lot, but previously when I used to order body mist, I don't use them frequently, and I have to give it away to a lot of people, and in fact perfumes as well, which comes very expensive. So I've stopped buying perfumes. Moisturizers I still invest in because I know I'm going to use it for sure. And that's all, you guys. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to be cooperating a lot, making videos, because मुझसे नहीं बन पाता है वीडियो. I don't know, मैंने ये वीडियो भी एक हफ्ता प्लानिंग करके बनाया. I have a lot of content I have planned which I really wanted to make, but let's see how much does it work. I'm trying to be like consistent on YouTube now, and learning YouTube and trying to make camera my friend. I don't know how much I'm gonna make it, but yeah, I'm trying to do I actually like making videos, but I don't know how to edit them. The shots and everything I can do, but just you know, not my field. But I'm trying to do, because when I do, so I'm trying to do, yes, and that's what I'm trying to do, to make more videos. I have a lot of content written, a lot of content planned, but let's see how much does it work. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.